I would like to know the capacity in cubic feet of a Maytag model lot 94060 washer.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
1997.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Am planning on replacing the unit.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
9-cycle supercapacity if that helps.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Capacity is 2.5 cubic feet, see attached sheet. Smile. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the info, and I definitely appreciate the quick response.
You are very welcome, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.